Hello again. In this program, I intend to teach you the Canva application. I hope you subscribe in my page and support me. Canva is an application with many features that in this video I only teach how to make YouTube thumbnail. This software also has an online version. First, enter the browser and go to the following site and download the Windows application. Then install the application. Run the installed program and click on Login. Now log in through your Gmail. After entering your password, your Gmail go through the two-step verification that I have already taught. I put the link of the two-step verification video in the description. Now enter the Canva application and select Create Design. There are different parts here. Default image formats compatible with the content dimensions of various social networks. Templates similar to artist works. Lots of different options for different sizes and shapes. Select YouTube thumbnail. In the design section, there are ready-made templates that you can choose according to your requirements. Select a template and as you see, you have full access to edit it, including text, background, elements, etc. In the Elements section, the elements are categorized, which lets you select among them according to your design. For example, you try an element and it's transferred to your plan. Now you can change the size, color, and position of the element just by easily drag and drop. Now go to the text section in the left menu and select simple text box from the available options. In the same way, you can choose different fonts and effects, including animate, effect, and position. In Upload section, you can add images, videos, or audits and upload the desired file from your system. In Draw section, the editing capabilities are provided for you. In Photos section, you can add a photo or image to your design according to the subject category. Of course, in the application, some of the options are premium, and you can use all its features by getting an account. In Background section, you are able to change the background according to the existing design. Among other possibilities in this application, you can link the URL of a desired website to the photo. By combining these features, you can easily create your desired design without having any skill in photo editing. Now the created job must be saved. Save option can be accessed from the top right menu, from the shared option, and by clicking on the file option at the top left. The toolbar opens and you can select the download option. Click File Type and select the desired type. In the Select Page option, tick the number of pages you want to download. Then select Download, and in File Explorer, the photo is saved in the Download section. But to create an image with your desired size, on the upper left side, select File and Create Design. Then select Custom Design, enter the desired size, and finally select Create New Design. Now choose a template and easily change the template photo with drag and drop, and make the image in your required size. Modify the text, change the font size, and save the image in the necessary format according to the instructions I gave at the beginning. The image can be restored too. I hope you like this video. I return soon with more training programs. I will be thankful if you subscribe me. Goodbye.